Hey y'all, it's Sekoya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be straightening my hair. I noticed that a lot of you all have been gravitating towards my how to straighten natural hair videos. So here's another one. But not only am I going to be straightening my hair, I'm going to demonstrate to you how I trim my hair as well. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it kind of needs a trim. It's been a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, I'm going to be using a different flat iron. Okay? This flat iron, man, I don't even, okay. I'm nervous. I'm nervous because I've had my same flat iron that I've been using for years, and it has been doing so great, and it still works. However, I don't have it with me, so I had to go buy a flat iron that was not up there in the price. So the flat iron that I've had for years was like $150. It's the Henna Professional, the one that I use in all of my videos. This flat iron is from a beauty supply store, and it claims to be 100% pure titanium technology. Flat iron that I have, well, both of them are mine because I bought both of them, but my flat iron is 100% ceramic. This is titanium. Now, hopefully, a lot of times when you buy flat irons from like maybe Walmart, Target, beauty supply stores, it's only coated with the what is this called? It's only coated with the technology that it claims to have. So if it's ceramic, if you get like Andes will have the ceramic coating, but if you notice, as you continue to straighten your hair, the more and more times you use it, the coating starts to fade away, right? And then it's aluminum underneath. So that's my fear. It's like, I know that the flat irons that I have, they're blue. They've been blue. They haven't faded, nothing. Like, that money was well spent, okay? But this right here, I'm just nervous. So I just want y'all to know that if this don't turn out like usually, like in most of my videos, how straight my hair ends up, it's because of this. So here's the box. It's by Red, and like I said, it claims to be 100% titanium. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We just gonna, go through it together. The plates are cute. It's like, they're like mirrors. I don't know if you can tell. You see? It's like mirrors. I can look at myself if I could get the other plate out of the way. But anyway, the temperature goes up. It starts at 250, and then it goes all the way to 450, which is good. And it has the on and off switch. So I'm going to start out at 450 because that's what I always use for my hair. Of course, you should know your hair better than I would. So whatever you feel comfortable using, you use. Okay? I'm going to turn it on. It has a red light here. Turned it on, indicating that it is on. Let's see how long it takes. This kind of turned into a review, right? Instead of a how to straighten hair video, but hey, who knows what the title's gonna be? I never do. So it heats up fairly fast. It's very hot now. Now I can't really touch it and not get burned. So all right, it stinks. I don't like the smell though. If y'all have, I don't like the way this smells. This don't smell too swell. It's not like a chemically dangerous smell. It's just like, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it, but I don't like it. So we'll see. So anyway, I'm starting off with blow dried hair. I did that before recording anything because I already have videos with me starting off with blow dried hair. So I'm going to just go ahead and section my hair. And I think I am going to be, well, I don't think, I am going to be wearing the middle part. In my last video, I told y'all that hair holds memory, and that's true. So I blow dried my hair like this, and I'm going to be straightening my hair like this as well. And also I find that it's easier to trim with a middle part because, well, it just depends on how you wear your hair. Honestly, it depends on how you wear your hair. But in order for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be trimming my hair with the middle part because I feel like it's going to be easier for y'all to kind of see. Okay, so to moisturize, or not really moisturize, but give my hair a little bit of moisture and shine, I'm using the DNA Serum, and I've been using this since like probably my first or second How to Straighten Natural Hair video, and it has worked, and I like the product, and that's what I'm using today. I cannot see what's going on. I hope y'all can see. I have already parted straight across. Now I'm going to use this. It is on 450. It's rather warm. And I will be chasing, as I always do. Ooh. My hair is getting long, y'all. Okay. So it might work a little bit. Beauty supply store. Okay. Okay, so I'm hot and I'm kind of starting to sweat right now, so I think I need to just, I'm going to go ahead and finish the back, and then I'll come back when I'm on the front because it'll be easier for me to not be having to worry about where the camera angle is and all of that. And then when it comes to trimming, then I'll be back. No, I'll be back before I trim, but I just need to get this back done first. I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm at the front. I already did this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Putting just a little bit of the serum on here. I think I'm gonna clip this back. Here, there we go. don't burn my client's ears, just mine, because I can't hold my ear and straighten at the same time. Usually when I'm straightening my hair, I make my parts or my sections about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. And everything does get straight. Now, of course, if your hair is coarser, then you may need to make smaller sections. If your hair is finer, then you may need to make larger sections. It all depends on your hair type and texture. Now, I don't know if you can tell, well, you should be able to tell if you have an eye for these things. Look at all of this. This needs to be trimmed. This is so thin. Like, it's thick all the way to this point, and then it just gradually gets thinner. So that needs to be trimmed. But I'm not going to cut anything until I get everything straightened. So as you can see, it just thins out. That's not healthy hair. Not at all. Two more sections to work through, and then I'll be done straightening my hair in its entirety. Looks healthy, but we got some trimming to do. The edges don't look so, the ends don't look so healthy. Now usually I cut my hair super fast, like just can't deal with it, but I'm really trying to give my hair a little bit of time to actually grow and see how long I can get it to grow. I know if I continue to be healthy or continue to treat it well, you know, it'll grow. It'll continue to grow. I just want to see how long I can go without cutting it. I'm trying to get to like waist length. That's the goal. Get my hair to waist length and then I'll cut it. Yes. Waist length? Yeah, waist length. That's a good goal. Maybe butt. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. All I know is I have straightened my hair and now it's time to trim it. So it is way easier to trim off camera, but because I'm showing you how to trim your hair, I have to do it on camera. That's the challenge, but I think I'm up for it. We'll see. I'm about to try to maneuver and finagle some things to get this here done. This is the length that my hair is at currently.